An unconference is a participant-driven meeting that aims to avoid some of the traditional structure of a conference. Instead of having a pre-planned and scheduled session, keynote speakers and presentation, the agenda is usually created by the participant. I'm also one of the scientific director of HEC Paris, which has been actively involved in the organization of the second ELLIS UnConference. HEC Paris is a new center of data analytics and artificial intelligence for science, business and society.
Conference, we organize several workshops, thematic workshops, for instance in optimal transport, which is a mathematical theory that's used more and more nowadays in machine learning. It was the occasion to talk with young students in smaller venue.
ELLIS UnConference was a very good opportunity to, in fact, present during some very short talk made by some PhD students, which were volunteering to present paper which was accepted at ICML, and since in fact the audience was not that large, in fact it was very good in fact to discuss more deeply on the paper.
So I was really glad to be able to come to HEC to take part in the UnConference organized by ELLIS and HEC Paris. Learning a lot about the different papers from ICML and other conferences. It was nice presenting my work.
They were covering like a very broad range of topics, from fairness to reinforcement learning. There were a lot of good talks about optimal transport, and I think actually I met a lot of experts.
The scientific program was excellent. We discovered many other topics that we didn't know about before. So overall, we presented our work also on diffusion models with Monte Carlo methods.